Now let's try to write the linear equation of a given 2 points. So they will give us 2 points, say for example, here point A and point B. So the steps are as follows. So the first step will be, first, you want to find the slope using these 2 points here. That's right, by writing the formula of our slope. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now let's identify our x's. So since this is my first point, I will name that as x1 and y1. This is my second point, so I will name this as x2 and y2. Now just plug in. Y2 is 4 minus y1 is -6, so minus -6 over my x2, 8, minus x1, which is 3. Simplify that. Negative, negative, so it will be positive. So 4 plus 6 will give us 10. X minus 3 will give us 5. So 10 divided by 5 will be 2. So our m now will be 2. So that's the first step. Find the slope of the given 2 points. Second step will be using the point slope form with either given points or given point. So we will use our point slope form. Point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So you can use any of these points here. Say, for example, I want to use the first point, which is 3, -6. So let me just plug that in here. Y minus my y is -6 is equal to m, which is 2, times x minus x1 now will be 3. Now, if the problem says just find the point slope form, you should end here after you simplify this. So you should end here. But if the problem says give the slope intercept form, remember our slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. So if the problem requires you to express your answer into this form, you need to continue. So the next step after here is to use distributive property. So y plus 6, so distribute 2 here. So 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times -3 will be -6. Now get rid of the positive 6 here by subtracting 6 on both sides. So we have now y is equal to 2x plus minus, because negative negative, minus 12. So that is now the slope intercept form of this point slope form here. Now let's try to use the other point. Let's see if we're going to get the same answer. Same thing, start by writing your point slope form. Substitute. So y minus, so my y1 now will be 4 minus 4. My slope will be 2. My x of 1 now will be 8 minus 8. So you end here. Again, you end here if the problem is just asking you to write your answer in point slope form. So I'm assuming the problem requires me to express my answer in slope intercept form. So y minus 4, use distributive property again here, 2 times x, that will give us 2x. 2 2 times negative 8, that will give us negative 16. Now get rid of the negative 4, add 4 on both sides. So y now is equal to 2x minus 12. So you can use any of the given points.